Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, we are into May and Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest has gone in and picked our May project. So let me show you what I finished in April. April was, let me get organized here. April's project was number 11 and I had the Desert Stars pattern, which was perfect because I had a quilt retreat at the end of the month end of April wrapping into May. So I got the top done. Of course, I didn't get it quilted because I was packing and going crazy, getting ready. So here is my finished table runner top. I thought it turned out so cute. And if you notice, I put a different border on here. I wanted to use this from the fabric line, but I thought it was just too busy. So I picked just a mellow dustyish blue, dark blue batik, and I think that made the points of the stars pop out a little bit better than that busy print. I am going to use that as my backing and my binding, so that'll just peek over the edge a little bit for the binding, and I think that'll be cute. So that is my Desert Stars table runner top that I did for April. And I just think it's so cute. It was a very, very well-written pattern. Really, really fun. So you guys should give that a try. Let me just show you one more time. The pattern is Desert Stars by Atkinson Designs, and really, really good. And it comes with two different styles. I did this one, and then there's like a hollow star, which is really fun too. So that was my April project. And a full quilt tutorial or video will be coming out on how I did that. And April just drew. I just watched the video today. I got home last night from the quilt retreat. So I'm into May a little bit. We're okay. It's going to be fine. April Robson from the Quilted Forest drew out project number 1 for May. And mine is Fabric Cafe's Freedom pattern. So I'm pretty excited for this one. I have a ton of Americana prints and I just love them. So this is going to give me my first opportunity to do an Americana quilt. Okay, we've got this cool circle star type piece in the corner and then red and white stripes, okay? So I am doing this. I'm going to take this sticker off. It's been there forever. It's probably icky underneath. So take that sticker off. And it is a star pattern on white. So it's a tone-on-tone white with a star pattern for my white. My blue is this little bigger star with some marbled background. And my red is going to be the really big star. So I'm hoping that these three will look cute together. Whoop, got my hair, will look good together in this pattern. Let's get this bad boy up here, like so. And then I have this wild fireworks for the border. I thought I'd make it maybe a hair bigger with a bigger border. So, I've got this crazy wild border print, or print for the border. It's not a border print, it's just an all over tossed. But here we go, guys. This is the fabrics for my May project. It looks like the quilt top measures. Let's see, does it say? Let's just take a little peek. See how big it is. Let's just see if it gives us a 44 by 59. So I don't know if you could make the stripes longer or if it would goof up the orientation, but I thought I'd just make the border a smidge bigger. So anyway, there we go. So that is what I'm going to do. And I will be back with the finished April tutorial. And I'm going to show you what I did at 3 Quilt Amigas. And I did I did a fabric haul and a goodie haul from Missouri Star. So I'll be back with those videos, guys. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. Thank you for hanging out with me for this quick, short, snack-sized tutorial or video. And you guys, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share, drop me a comment. Let me know if you've done either of these patterns. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.